Okay, we're here today, and my dad's 2014 F-150 mirror fell off, and so we're going to replace the button, and then we got to wait, I think, 24 hours before we actually put the mirror on. But I'll show you how to get the old button off the old mirror and how to put a new button on there, and to O'Reilly's to get the just the glue and all that to put on there. And they didn't sell just the glue anymore. It's now a button with a peel stick on there. And this is what it is. And so anyway, we'll stick that on there. And hopefully tomorrow I'll come back out and slide a new mirror on it, and we'll be done. Should be a pretty quick little video. All right, I hope you all enjoy. Alright, before we get started working inside, trying to see where the old mirror was. I'm going to mark it out here on the outside so I can hopefully get it in the right spot. Faintly see the these where the old one was. Alright. Now, if you can see that or not, but I marked on from the outside where the old button was, so that we can now scrape off the old glue and have a clean spot. So I'll take just scrape off any old residue that was there. Alright, just take care of that. And take our new button, take it out, and we'll stick it on there with the curved part on the top. See where the curve is there. I'll go on the top, peel our sticker off, and we stick her on there. Now it says to hold it for 3 to 5 minutes. Hope y'all enjoy this. That was 3 minutes. That's tough. Holding your hand up there with pressure for 3 minutes. And a kick on the AC. Alright. Now we'll get the old button off the old mirror. And we'll have to wait till tomorrow to finish it up. Alright, this shouldn't be too hard. There's a little thing in there. Spring loaded. Since it's out, shouldn't be too bad. I want to mark that up. So stick it under there. Squeeze that down. Alright, let's leave it on the table here. Alright, now we got it over the little tips there that hold it in. Maybe we can get it the rest of the way out. Oh, there we go. Got that sucker out. There we go. And so those little tips right there were hard to get it over there. Make a deal that slides up there and squeeze that, from what I've heard, what I've seen. So tomorrow we'll get that taken care of. Get that on. Okay, we're out here the other day. It's actually been about 48 hours since I stuck the button on here. Had things going on yesterday, so I didn't get to do that. So now we're just going to slide the mirror on, plug it in, and we'll be done. All right. Okay, it's on there now. Pretty simple. And I'll just slip right back on. Slide it down there until it clicked in. It didn't hear it clicked in. I was a little worried, but looks like it's up there. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you out with your mirror, and thanks for watching.